Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how you could use this very interesting new platform called Shoplook. The website is shoplook.io, and this website allows you to create outfits for any event, any fit, any budget. It's basically a canvas for creating outfits from scratch. So these are some of the creations from some of the users, and you could go ahead and shop from those creations. So you could click buy, you could buy individual items or an entire creation entire outfit creation. But besides browsing and looking at these outfits, you could become a creator, a designer. You could go on Shoplook, create an account, and if you think you got a good eye for design, you can make your own outfit and let other people discover your own creations. So to do that, we want to go ahead and sign up for a new account. So right up here, go ahead and click sign up. And the sign up process is very simple. Just go ahead and make yourself a user account and then press sign up. And once you sign up, this is what your dashboard looks like. This is where you start creating your outfit. So as you could see down here, there's some options where you could just click the button to start creation, and there's rewards for creating outfits as well. I'm just gonna show you the process of creating outfits for this video. So let's go ahead and click the create outfit button right here. And this is your canvas. This is where you design your outfits, and it's just as simple as drag and drop. On the right, you have all the different categories. So from tops and shirts and dresses and pants and purses, you want to drag those and bring them into your outfit. So I'll take this top, for example, I'll put it over here on my canvas, and to match it, I want to choose jeans. So I'll just jump into jeans. I'm not a designer, but I just want to show you technically how this works. So let me grab the jeans, and when you add a jean, you could resize your outfits. It's just simple drag and drop and resize. So you could just go ahead and grab the corners and resize them so they match better in size. Next, I want to go ahead and add a purse. And with the search functionality, once you're in that purse category, for example, you could choose color, brand, seller, price. So in this case, I'm gonna choose a black purse, and it's gonna show the results of black purses only. So that will make it a lot easier to design things based on color, for example. So let me go ahead and choose a purse and drag it over here to my canvas. And just to complete this outfit, I'm just gonna add shoes. So I'm gonna go back to the categories and look for shoes. And this time, I want to refine my search a little bit. So if you look on top, you'll see all the different categories under shoes. So boots, sneakers, flats. So I'm going to remove sneakers from my search results, and I'll remove sandals from my search results in this case also. And as you can see in real time, it refines my search, and it makes it a lot easier to choose the right things and just view the right things. So I'm just going to choose a shoe and bring it over to my canvas just to complete this outfit. And once you're done creating your outfit, right on top, you could just click publish, and that will begin the publishing process where you just have to add a little bit of information like name and description, and then your outfit will be live for everyone to see. This is the last page before your outfit goes live. So name, description, fit, event, style, season, target, age. Go ahead and fill these out. And then once this is complete, it's gonna give you another button that's gonna let you publish everything. At any time, you could go ahead and edit that outfit, add more to it, subtract from it, and then click publish again if you wanted to revisit your outfit at any point. Once everything is done, you should see upload. Go ahead and press upload, and your outfit has been added to Shoplook. Here you could pin to Pinterest, you could create your next outfit, or you could preview the one you just created. Once you look at the preview, you could see all the items in the outfit, you could see the prices for each one, a little bit of description. People could now browse it, buy the whole outfit, buy individual pieces, and your design and your creation is now out there for the public to view. I hope you enjoy creating outfits in this platform. I feel like it's really easy to use, and that visual canvas makes it so easy to create so many different outfits. I believe at the time of this recording, there's over 200,000 different creations on this website, and it's growing every single day. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I post tech videos and app reviews 5 times a week, and I really hope to see you on the next video. As always, thank you so much for watching.